we shall going to discuss with reference to the search for the genetic material, which is said to be the valid genetic material in case of living organisms. In this search for genetic material, the first important experiment is said to be the transforming principle. The transforming principle, the concept of transforming principle was discovered by Frederick Griffith in the year 1928. In order to conduct the experimentation, he makes use of a unique bacteria. The name of the bacteria is said to be the Diplococcus pneumonia. Formerly, it is also designated as Streptococcus pneumonia. It is a type of pathogenic bacteria which causes pneumonia disease in case of mammals and also in case of human beings. This bacterium is existed in two strains. This bacterium is existed in two strains, namely smooth strain and odd strain. Smooth strain and odd strain. The letter S stands for smooth type. The smooth type is purely because of the presence of the polysaccharide mucus coat around the bacteria. Because of the presence of polysaccharide mucus coat around the bacteria, it is pathogenic in nature and it exhibits pneumonia disease in case of mammals, hence it is called virulent in nature. The another strain of Diplococcus pneumonia is designated as R strain. Is called R strain or refers to rough type It does not contain mucus coat. Because of the lack of polysaccharide mucus coat, it is non-pathogenic in nature and it is avirulent in nature. It fails to induce pneumonia disease in case of mammal. These are the two strains or the types of Diplococcus pneumonia selected for the experiment in order to search for the valid genetic material. The experiment is conducted in four important steps. For the experimentation, they make use of a biological agent. The name of the biological agent is mice. Frederick Griffith conducted the experiment in four important steps. In the first step, he selected a strain of the Diplococcus pneumonia and it is injected into the healthy mice. After few days of incubation, the mice acquired pneumonia disease. As a result of pneumonia disease, led to the death of the mice. In the second step, he selected a strain of Diplococcus pneumonia. Because of the lack of mucus coat, it is avirulent in nature. He selected a strain and it is injected into the healthy mice. During the course of incubation, it does not exhibit any type of pneumonia disease, led to the effective survival of the mice population. In the third step, he again selected smooth type of Diplococcus pneumonia and it is subjected to heat killed. It is subjected to sterilization. Later, the heat killed S strain is injected into the healthy mice. During the course of incubation, because of the denaturation of polysaccharide mucus coat, it fails to induce the pneumonia disease, led to the effective survival of the mice. Led to the effective survival of the mice population. In the last step, he selected smooth strain. That smooth strain of Diplococcus pneumonia is subjected to heat killed. He mixed the heat killed S strain with the R strain. The mixture of heat killed S strain and R strain is injected into the healthy mice. During the course of incubation, he observed an unusual result exhibiting the death of the mice. Death of the mice is resulted. With this experimentation, he selected the dead mice. It is subjected to autopsy. It is subjected to autopsy. By the careful examination of the dead parts, he concluded that some transforming principle is a chemical substance released by the heat killed S strain bacteria transform R strain into S strain, resulting in the death of the mice. After autopsy, Frederick Griffith recovered S strain of bacteria from the dead mice and concluded that some mysterious transforming principle is a chemical substance. A mysterious transforming principle is a chemical substance released by the heat-killed bacteria that changed the R strain into S type and become virulent. As a result of virulent factor, the mice acquired pneumonia disease, led to the death. This must be due to the transformation of genetic material. But if faced to define which is the biochemical nature of transforming principle through the experiment. If faced to explain which is the genetic material converted R strain into S strain, he simply designated that some transforming principle is a chemical substance released by the heat-killed bacteria that changed R strain into S strain and become virulent. Such a unique interpretation was made by the Frederick Griffith in search for the valid genetic material. Thank you, children. In the next class, we will going to discuss with reference to the biochemical characteristic features of transforming principle, stating that the DNA is the genetic material. This unique concept was made by Avery and et al. Okay, thank you.